So what happens when you plant an onion that is sprouting from your kitchen? Well, we have an example here. We got it planted. I'm going to pull it out. This is just a random onion that we found, and we planted it. It does and has started to develop roots, and the top has gotten greener. But what is really going to occur here? You're not going to get another onion bulb. This onion is actually retracting and using the energy internally in addition to the roots to create roots and to produce upward growth here. So what happens is this will create seeds. Onions are biennials and will produce seeds the second year. So you got this from the grocery store, you planted it, it's already grown once, now it's in its second year. The seeds in which you're going to get from this are basically worthless unless you know where the onion came from. Is it a long day, short day, or neutral day variety onion? Are the onions in which you have in your cabinet that are sprouting the ones you grew in your garden? Then you can save the seeds. Otherwise, the seeds in which you save from a sprouting onion in your kitchen doesn't do any good, because if you try to grow a long day and a short day, or a short day and a long day, you're not going to get an onion bulb.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.